Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one I'm going to show you how to pair a new Firestick remote without your old remote control. So the first thing you want to do is check that there's batteries in your new remote. And if you have batteries in, then we're set to go. With your new remote with batteries in, press and hold the home button for around 5 to 15 seconds. And then what you should notice on your remote control is that a light at the very top should start to flash green. This is an indication that the remote is trying to connect to a Bluetooth device, and this should be your Firestick. Once your Firestick spots the new Bluetooth remote, it should pop up with a box on how to connect it. So you just need to press the middle circle button, and this should automatically pair with your Firestick. If for any reason this doesn't auto do it, what you want to do is make sure you're close enough to your Firestick. So if it's behind a TV or you're far away, move closer, or move your hand behind the TV while you're pressing down the home button, and when that green light's blinking, and it should kick it in. But if it doesn't, what you want to do is turn completely off your Firestick. So unplug it from the wall outlet, and this should take all the power away, and then reboot it by plugging it back in to the wall outlet. And when your Firestick kicks back in, again press and hold that home button for around 5 to 15 seconds. You may need to wait around 20 seconds till that green light starts flashing, and then it should kick in once you've rebooted your Firestick remote. It should notice that new remote. Make sure you're close, remember, to the Firestick, and then that should kick in and you should be able to connect the Firestick remote. Hopefully that helps you out. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Firestick tutorials like this one, and thanks for watching.